Welcome to my channel, GK with JK. Please subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon to receive notification.
Which Indian freedom fighter founded the Indian National Army? A. Subhas Chandra Bose. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. Subhas Chandra Bose. Which Indian leader is known as the father of the nation? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer A. Mahatma Gandhi. Which Mughal emperor is known for his policy of religious tolerance and cultural integration? A. Akbar. B. Aurangzeb. C. Shah Jahan. D. Jahangir. Answer A. Akbar. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of the Indian National Congress? A. Annie Besant. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Answer A. Annie Besant. Which Indian social reformer is known for his work in abolishing sati? A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. C. Jyotirao Phule. D. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Which Indian ruler fought against the British in the Battle of Plassey? A. Siraj-ud-Daulah. B. Mir Jafar. C. Tipu Sultan. D. Hyder Ali. Answer A. Siraj-ud-Daulah. Who was the last Governor General of Independent India? A. C. Rajgopalachari. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. C. Rajgopalachari. Which Indian leader is known as the Frontier Gandhi? A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Lala Lajpat Rai. D. Bipin Chandra Pal. Answer A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Which Mughal emperor built the Jama Masjid in Delhi? A. Shah Jahan. B. Akbar. C. Humayun. D. Aurangzeb. Answer A. Shah Jahan. Who was the founder of the Mughal dynasty? A. Babur. B. Akbar. C. Humayun. D. Aurangzeb. Answer A. Babur. Which Indian leader is known for his work in drafting the Indian Constitution? A. B. R. Ambedkar. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Answer A. B. R. Ambedkar. Which battle marked the end of the Maratha Empire? A. Third Battle of Panipat, B. Battle of Buxar, C. Battle of Wandivish, D. Battle of Plassey. Answer A. Third Battle of Panipat. Which Indian leader is known for his role in the Salt March? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer A. Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian king is known for his contribution to Indian classical music and dance? A. Krishna Deva Raya, B. Harsha, C. Ashoka, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer A. Krishna Deva Raya. Which Mughal emperor built the Peacock Throne? A. Shah Jahan, B. Akbar, C. Humayun, D. Aurangzeb. Answer A. Shah Jahan. Which Indian social reformer is known for his work in promoting widow remarriage? A. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, C. Jyotirao Phule, D. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer A. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Which Indian ruler fought against the British in the Battle of Buxar? A. Mir Qasim, B. Siraj ud Daulah, C. Tipu Sultan, D. Hyder Ali. Answer A. Mir Qasim. Who was the first Indian to become the president of the Indian National Congress? A. W.C. Banerjee, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. Badruddin Tayyibji, D. S.N. Banerjee. Answer A. W.C. Banerjee. Which Mughal emperor is known for his Deccan campaigns? A. Aurangzeb, B. Akbar, C. Shah Jahan, D. Jahangir. Answer A. Aurangzeb. Which Mughal emperor took control of Bijapur and Golconda under him? A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Jahangir, D. Aurangzeb. Answer D. Aurangzeb.
Thanks for watching.